I've been hearing a lot of people saying that cleaning your berries a certain way makes them last longer and more firm, and I think they were right. So let me share with you how I now clean my berries. I have 3 pounds of berries in a large bowl with about 5 cups of water. I am going to add 2 cups of white vinegar. You can use the cheapest available for this. You're going to need about 1/4 cup of baking soda as well. Of course, the amounts will vary depending on how many berries you have to clean. Generally, it's a 3-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar. Now I am adding the baking soda, and this will fizz for a few minutes until it dies down. During this time, I will shake up the bowl to get more reaction of the baking soda. Let them sit for about 15 minutes in the solution and then strain and rinse under cool water. You can then repack them in the plastic containers or other storage container. If you reuse the containers they came in, make sure to wash those too. Enjoy, and as always, on to the next.